This woman is nuts. Watch this.
No, the road's closed.
But that's what I'm saying. And all these residents, there's only one way out.
I understand, but it was advertised.
Yeah, so they told me to move my car in here.
Right, but the road is closed and we can't let people out, okay?
Okay, so like I said, I apologize, but I'm not going to move this.
No, you can't. You can't move the cones. The road's closed. 10 serving units at the Patuxent place. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'd be happy to call you a taxi.
There has to be another way. I'm not taking a taxi all the way to Virginia. I work in Virginia.
I understand. And I apologize for the inconvenience. But unfortunately,
I don't have to come back. I just need to get out. I need to get out. Like, is there any way you can call somebody?
I can't. Unfortunately, there's several people that have had to say they can't come out. This is just one of those times where I can't let you out.
I'm not trying to be against nobody's law, but I gotta go.
I understand. I can't have you do that.
Right. Yeah, pretty much.
Stop. You cannot move this. I'm telling you right now.
Oh, I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do? Like, I have to go to work.
You cannot get out. I can't help you with that. Please do not disturb this area.
I might have to.
Ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so sorry.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
Oh my gosh. It's a parade.
A vehicle trying to run through the roadblock. It's
Where are you going to go?
Stop! Stop your car.
It's over.
Stop!
Excuse me, y'all. What?
And there's a lady running down the street now in a BMW. Stop!
Oh my God.
No. It's over for Hey, it's babies out there and everything.
We're at 6 now.
It's over.
Stop!
It's over.
Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Where are you going to go?
Get out of the car.
It's over for you.
Out
Embarrassing.
of the car. You're under arrest.
This is insane. What was she thinking?
I bet her job don't even pay that much.
Okay, I'm just trying to get to work.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm dying. Alright, y'all got record. I'm just trying to get to work. I live in these apartments and there's no other way out.
And look at her.
I mean, what she work at? She got flip-flops. Socks on.
Bro, okay.
Relax.
Exactly. Help
Relax.
her.
Stop. 10 to Adam 5. Secure that vehicle.
It can't be that worth it. Your job can't be that worth it.
But why didn't you just back up and turn around and go the other way?
He couldn't. You can't go nowhere. So
no, I'm saying the girl. Why didn't she just back up and go? It was a street that she came in. She was pointing like she came from a different way to get to that street. Why don't she just turn around and go another way and get rerouted?
I was thinking, okay, I didn't think about it that way. I was thinking that was her apartment complex and she must have just drove out and was trying to go to the main street to get out, but that's the only way out.
Oh, so the apartment complex leads to that street? Is that what was going on?
That's what I was thinking. But she could have been driving around and she turned up that one because she couldn't get out. And it's just like, I need to get out. And it's like,
oh my God.
But what's confusing me, she said I need to get to work. So what kind of job? I wonder what kind of job it is, and is it paying that much money to where you risk it all for that job? Because to me, I don't think so.
Well, the thing is, call your job and let them know.
$10 an hour ain't worth that.
Call them and let them know that there is a parade on your street and you are not able to get out. If that was the only way out.
Or that's not her first time. She could already be on write-up. Ain't no matter how many times she got left before she about to get fired anyway. So there's no telling her situation, but that ain't the way to do it. And he said he'll call you a taxi. If y'all call me a taxi, that means y'all paying for a taxi to send me to Virginia Beach. And you can they got this thing now called Uber.
Lyft?
This was only 11 days ago. So this was in full effect before we have these services. So she just didn't want to do it because she's a child.
Stop. Everything's on camera. Stop.
I don't care. This is uncomfortable.
Now your car is about to be towed.
You're under arrest.
Call her for what?
Sit.
Call her for
Arrest on the wall.
what?
Sit.
Okay, you can stop touching me now. So can I go call my mom?
Do you have any injuries?
What?
Do you have any injuries?
No.
Okay.
She seems Very, very
sit on the wall.
immature. It's like,
I just need to go
Stupid.
to work. Like that's
Well, you're under
fine.
arrest, so stop.
Bro, where's
Where
my
is the
phone?
brain here?
Just call my mom.
For what?
Oh, so you can get my girl, right? So let me go.
Oh my God.
Let me
She
go.
a child.
To go to work, bro.
Stop.
It's like an undeveloped brain, like a child's brain.
Oh, stop. Stop.
I can't believe it.
Oh, I'm just trying to go to work.
I
literally all I'm
cannot
trying to do is go to work.
believe it.
Sleep right there. Right there, that's good.
Are you gonna stop and sit?
Oh, they were moving the car. Okay, they moved out the
Yes,
way.
that was
You
a
may
program.
sit. You may not stand up. You may sit.
Gosh.
So you can sit.
Is there a key fob?
I don't know. And somebody is live on her phone, like FaceTiming right now, so I just turned the phone over.
Where's the phone?
On the other seat, sir.
Okay.
Looks like a mother.
Come get your ignorant child.
Men that are watching this is a warning for y'all. Just because they lookers don't mean it's right here.
I don't understand this.
I got the phone.
And
just
pop
gave her
popcorn,
ID too.
laptop, holy
Was
water
you gonna
down
hit
there.
nobody?
You almost hit 25 people coming
And
out of
I saw
the
she
street.
swerved around a
All
baby.
you had to do
hit
was
the
listen to
sergeant.
me, and you could have left. Instead, you bumped me with your car and then drove down the street and almost hit 16, 15 people.
Exactly.
What is wrong with you?
She's a
I need to
child.
get to work.
Okay,
She a child.
we said you couldn't drive. You could have taken an Uber, but no, you wanted to drive your car out in the middle of the street.
What was
And I
that?
told you my circumstances. So
Say your circumstance. You just said you
Your
need to go to work.
circumstances don't justify your behavior.
Right.
Is it a key fob or what?
Yeah, be a key fob for this push to start.
see what I did wrong.
Maybe
What
a
you
judge can make
mean?
reason with you.
What you
Okay,
mean?
all right. Can you take me out these cuffs? They're uncomfortable.
You're under arrest. You're going
My
to jail.
Hey,
gosh.
stop
She
touching
must
me.
be
Just get off me then.
privileged
Just stop
and
touching me.
Sit and stop.
What I
in
see,
her mind.
I see a girl that grew up without her black daddy, and her white mama let her do whatever she want to. She is
No, don't say that.
what?
No, I mean, but
I
we
can't
don't
say
know
that.
that. No, because you don't know that. What you see is a teenager who must have whatever she wants, and obviously does not think that she has to listen to authority. That's what I mean by privileged. She doesn't think she has to listen to authority.
These be folks that be crashing out at the airport for no reason.
My God.
No reason. Just because they can't get their way. She couldn't get her way, so she did that.
Exactly. So this is where I don't understand where the short circuit is her brain. Something is not clicking in her brain. That police, they gave me a command. They told me to get out. He told me and he was being nice. He said you can't go this way. It's a parade. What do you not understand by it's a parade and it's barricaded?
And he said, we'll call you a taxi. That didn't mean that. Well, that sounds like to me, when I hear that, that means we'll call you a taxi and we'll pay for it to Virginia Beach. I'm sure it wasn't no more than $20.
Oh my God.
Was $20 worth all that? Now your car is going to, now
Be towed.
they may encode to car, but it's on the safe side of the street, so they could tow it or they could leave it. But now whatever your bond is ain't worth what it would have cost to go to.
And all you had to do is listen. I don't understand it.
Stop
Hey,
trying to
get
get
off of
I'm
me.
not getting off of you.
I'm not about to do nothing.
Based on your behavior, I don't trust the words coming out of your mouth.
Exactly.
Look at that. She is a child.
All right.
Yes.
Stop
That's
doing
the attitude
it.
of a child.
Damn.
As more officers arrive
Right,
on the
exactly.
scene, one of them brings new information about the incident possibly being premeditated.
This is a planned thing. Her male counterpart asked if she could get out. Officer Kadiri gave them an option that he would escort them. That was like over an hour ago to get them out of 7th Street. They didn't come out to do it at that time, and she just did all this. So
Oh,
So
my
you guys have prior
gosh.
interaction?
not with her, the male half. I don't know if it's
Her
boyfriend,
boyfriend.
husband, whatever.
She ain't saying nothing.
That came to me 2.5 hours ago.
All right, now for real, can you call my mom?
Yeah, but she ain't saying nothing. She already
How old
know.
are you?
It's not about the age, it's about where she's at. She's right there.
I bet you, Joy. I bet you. Her and the boyfriend sat there and went back and forth saying, I got to go to work. And he probably tried to rationalize. And she said, we can't do it. And she said, forget that. I'm going.
Of course, but it didn't register in their brains to call the job and let the job know I'm going to be late because the street is barricaded and it's a parade here and I'm not able to get out, where it doesn't click in your mind
No, it don't click.
to call your job. Please.
But that's why I said
Problem solving skills.
That's why she's moving like a child with an undeveloped brain.
Problem solving skills.
So date of birth here?
96.
Okay. Yeah, you're an adult.
I never said I wasn't. I'm
She was
just saying
born in
she was
96.
Right there. Like literally right there.
30.
Okay. You're an adult.
Okay.
Gosh.
Don't pull away.
20.
Don't pull away. We don't need any more of this.
You're fine.
No, she was born in
Be
96.
gentle. That's all I'm asking.
I gotta go to the station and do some paperwork.
Child.
Really be in charge. I'll be back. They're gonna call it an evening unit, so transport. Hey, since you dealt with boyfriend earlier about the situation, you mind doing a yeah, just give me kind of the rundown on what that was this morning.
Yeah, so basically, I guess he went up to Wagner. He asked him, could he get out?
And that was at 7th and Main?
Right, and Wagner said no. So he came up to me, basically was just like, hey, my girl got to go to work. How can we get out? So I was like, hey.
Should have paid attention.
Yeah, exactly. So I was just like, hey, I'll go talk to the officer. I was like,
Wait. It's a key piece of information. He said that they should have paid attention, being that they probably were notified. Usually parades like this, for the people that are living on here, they probably give you proper notification saying, hey, we're going to be shut down the block. You won't be able to go, so you need to work out alternative means. Or you probably could have parked on a back street, walked back there and got out of there. But the immaturity ain't there.
The maturity is
I apologize. The maturity is not there.
Logic. Common sense.
The immaturity is there.
Oh my gosh, common sense, people.
there's no way she's going to be able to get out. But if she comes outside right now, I can escort you up there if the officer's okay with it, and you can get out. So he was like, perfect. So he went inside, but he never came back out. I guess essentially she came out whenever she was ready.
Pretty much.
But she was made aware because I spoke to the boyfriend.
How do we know that that's her boyfriend?
We don't, other than him just saying, like, coming out and saying, my girlfriend needs to get out.
Hey, real quick, you're not injured, right? No. Okay, because we have fireboard here. They'll check you out.
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you diabetic or anything?
30-year-old woman.
No.
It ain't
Do you
no
have any
excuse.
conditions that we would need to know about for your safety? Okay.
She ain't gonna make work.
Huh?
She ain't gonna make work.
No, Farrell's there with tape crossing. She pulls up. I said, hey, I'm sorry, the road's closed. And she's like, no, I'm not trying to cause an issue, but I'm getting out. And she gets out of her car, rips down the tape. I stand in front of her car and I'm like, stop. Like, you can't go. And I start calling the tag out, and she just pushes me out of the way, goes tearing down the street. I'm running after her car. Firefighters start pounding on her hood, so we yoked her out of the car after that. Because people only care about themselves. We talked to the fire department. Anybody that's down there, if there's any witness information for the use of force, can we get witness information?
Can you put your feet down?
Command Post start to Charlie 3.
You're getting in this car right here.
Charlie 3.
30 years old. I thought she was a teen. She was kind of young.
Are there shoes in that car?
Girl, bye.
Thank you.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Hang on.
Just gonna reach across a minute.
Her mama was probably trying to call him to make sure she
The
had a
suspect,
different route.
28-year-old Kai Debris Bostic, was charged with second-degree assault, 2 counts of resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, failure to obey a reasonable and lawful order, and reckless endangerment. During her first appearance in court, her attorney stated that Kai was trying to get to work, and the incident was an unfortunate reaction to police instructions. The judge pushed back and said the incident was an extremely dangerous situation, and subsequently denied bond for the suspect.
Good.
Kai later took a plea deal, pleading guilty to failure to obey a reasonable and lawful order, while all other charges were dismissed. She was sentenced to 13 days in jail and 2 years of probation.
Road closures don't really make.
Let me tell you something. That was not worth to be 2 weeks in jail and 2 years of probation. That was not worth it. That was
now it's on your record.
that was not worth the probation. I mean, we ain't gonna say too much. We said it all in the video, but you got to use your brain, black people.
Common sense.
People in general, but that's why we call this fatigued.
Common sense. So easy.